help and documentation that you can use for getting familiar with different section of the MATLAB. In the left side, you will see the installed toolbox or block set in my computer. If you click on any icon, you will see the help of that. For example, when I click on the MATLAB, you will see the help for the MATLAB. Go to programming. The programming, you will see how to write a script. For example, in here you will see there are 5 functions. If you click on every function, you will see the help for a function in MATLAB. Edit is a function. It is a very short text about this function. Edit or create a file, then the syntax of the file and description for a file. For example, edit, open a new file called align the editor. MATLAB doesn't automatically save this file, then it means that you must save this file. Or you can go to the another section. For example, in the classes, you will work with object-oriented programming in the MATLAB. How to create, how to use, why we use the object-oriented design. Some section is similar to the course that you get familiar with a subject, but some part, for example, in here, contain some function that you get familiar with some function in the MATLAB. When you click on every function, you will see the application of that function. For example, RMDIR used for remove a folder in a Windows or in your operating system. RMDIR blank space and the name of the folder that you want to remove. You can see some example in here. Examples are very useful. Then you will see the input argument. What's the input of that function? When you work with this section, you getting more familiar with different part of the help. There are some video in the help. For example, when I go, for example, to the programming, I can find in here you can see some video. For example, getting a start with the MATLAB or working development environment. When you click on this icon, you will go to the MathWorks website and you will see this video tutorial. The MathWorks website, all you can use in when you click on Unwrap are some link for MathWorks Academy. The Academy you will use some interactive course for getting familiar with the MATLAB, or if you go to Simulink, there are some Unwrap course for Simulink or different part of MATLAB, deep learning, machine learning. There are some Unwrap in the MathWorks website that you can use. All of these courses are generated by the staff or the employee of the MathWorks. Or go to the example. In the example section, you will see some demo for working. For example, if I open the array indexing, I can see some example for array indexing MATLAB. It's very useful if you want to to getting familiar with this section. If I go to the graphics, there are some another example. For example, specify axle limit. It uses the xlim function of the MATLAB. You will get familiar with this in this course. Or you can click on the PDF documentation and you will access to the documentation of this help. Or you go to the MATLAB answer. There are a MATLAB Central. In the MATLAB Central, you can ask your question, and the MATLAB user or the employee of the MathWork will answer your question. Or if you can find any bug in the MATLAB, you can report this bug to MATLAB expert. Or if you have any problem in the installation of the MATLAB, you can use this installation help. If you go to our website, matlab1.com, we have a section in our website. It is a forum of the MATLAB. In this forum, we collected most of the error of MATLAB. It's our website. If you go to the contact us, it's the forum section. You will see a complete list of error in the MATLAB. For example, if you go to the big data section, you will see the error about the big data of MATLAB. It's very useful forum that you can use.